Hello, this is Shane Williams from Sloan Implement Company. We're on location in Hamlin, Illinois doing a nitrogen test plot study with our Hagie STS12 with wide drops on the front. We're going to talk about a few of the value points inherent with a Hagie sprayer. First and foremost, you'll see that we've got good clearance underneath this rig. 74 inches with these tires as it's equipped. This allows you full season capability. You can do fall spraying, spring spraying, and most importantly, post-emerge, which would include fungicide and nitrogen applications. With nitrogen applications, you have a few choices on how you'd like to deliver the product. Corn takes up about 75% of its nitrogen after the V8 stage. So with that, you can use nitrogen toolbars, you can use straight drops, or in this case, we're using Y drops on the front. Again, 25% of that total delivery needs to be targeted at V8 with some good yields. With Y drops, we've experienced about a 6.9 bushel increase by delaying this 25% of nitrogen for the application at V8. If you're doing the math on that, with $3 corn over 1,000 acres, that totals off to about $20,700 of additional revenue realized by proper and timely nitrogen placement. Fungicide applications are very important as well. Depending on the disease pressure that year, you usually have about two choices: ground rigs or aerial applications. We've seen through the years that ground rigs out-yield aerial applications by about 8.3 bushel. A lot of this has to do with the gallon per acre delivery as well as the micron size of the product. Non-disease years typically have good gains as well. 6.2 bushel is the average yield even on non-disease years for a ground rig application. Front mounted booms are the second Hagie value point. By having the booms in front of the tractor, it allows the operator in the cab to clearly see what's happening in front of them. Keeping track of your nozzles, ditches, and ravines are key virtues there. By having the booms in front, it also allows you to square off your corners easier. Typically, operators spray up into the corners, back up, and have good corner-to-corner coverage within the field. Third point of having the booms up in front are easy implement switches. We can pull the quick catches on the front end and drop the booms off and go straight to detasseler toolbars or nitrogen toolbars with this feature. All-wheel steer is the third Hagie value point. We set the all-wheel steer to phase out at a predetermined speed based on the operator's preferences. When you're below this threshold and the all-wheel steer is active, it seamlessly engages, making one track per turn and 65 less plants damaged on this turn. A balanced footprint is the fourth Hagie value point. By having the booms in front with the engine in rear, we evenly disperse the fixed weights on either end of the tractor. The variable weight, the solution, is evenly dispersed through all four corners. This particular machine is a 2017 Hagie STS12. It has a 1,200 gallon stainless steel tank, 120-foot booms, 15-inch wet boom spacings, all-wheel steer with 380/105 R50 tires. The monitor it's equipped with is a Raven Viper 4 Plus. For the 2018 model year, the Hagies will be able to be ordered with the full John Deere system. The STS14s and STS16s will even have a John Deere 9-liter engine underneath the hood. To arrange your own demo, please contact your local Sloan stores. We have 20 locations across Illinois and Wisconsin to best serve you. Again, my name is Shane Williams with Sloan Implement, and thank you for watching.